If B bar and C bar, question number 8, observe this. If B bar and C bar are any two non-collinear unit vectors, A bar is any vector, then they're asking here A bar dot B bar into B bar plus A bar dot C bar into C bar plus A bar dot B bar cross C bar by modulus of B bar cross C bar whole square into B bar cross C bar equals to dash. Here I'm taking A bar equals to A bar is any vector, that's why A bar is any vector, that's why I'm taking let A bar equals to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar, and B bar comma C bar are any two non-collinear vectors, that's why I'm assuming that like this. Let B bar equals to, I'm taking some J bar, C bar equals to K bar, J bar K bar also two non-collinear unit vectors, that's why I'm taking like this. Now here A bar dot B bar into B bar, A bar dot C bar into C bar. So first A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar equals to A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar in dot J bar. That implies I bar dot J bar dot J bar is 1, K bar dot J bar. A1 into I bar dot J bar plus A2 into J bar dot J bar plus A3 into K bar dot J bar. Here I bar dot J bar is 0 here. Therefore this is this term, first term 0, second term A2, third term again K bar dot J bar is 0. So this is 0. Therefore finally A bar dot B bar is A2. A bar dot B bar is A2. Next I am finding A bar dot C bar. A bar dot C bar. A bar equals to once again A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar dot C bar. That is A1 into C bar is how much here? The C bar is K bar here. C bar equals to, you have taken C bar is, this is K bar. Therefore I bar dot K bar, A1 into I bar dot K bar is 0. 8 into J bar dot K bar is 0. K bar dot K bar is 1. So finally this is A3. So A bar dot C bar value is, A bar dot C bar is A3. Substitute here. A bar dot B bar cross C bar next. A bar dot B bar cross C bar. Now I am taking given expression. Given expression equals to, substituting this. A bar dot B bar is A2. A2 into B bar is J bar. So A2 into J bar plus A bar dot C bar into C bar. Here A bar dot C bar is A3. A3 into C bar means K bar. So this is A3 into K bar. Next plus A bar dot B bar cross C bar. What is B bar cross C bar? A bar. A bar means A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar. A1 I bar plus A2 J bar plus A3 K bar dot B bar cross C bar. B bar is how much? J bar cross K bar divided by modulus of J bar cross K bar whole square into J bar cross K bar, because here B bar cross C bar means J bar cross k bar. Now simplify this. A2 j bar plus A3 k bar plus A1 I bar plus A2 j bar plus A3 k bar dot j bar cross k bar is I bar. Same denominator also modulus of I bar whole square into this is j bar cross k bar is I bar. J bar cross k bar is I bar. Now mod I bar is 1. So this is A2 j bar, A3 k bar. Here I bar dot I bar is 1. So A1 into 1. J bar dot I bar is 0. A2 into 0. K bar dot I bar is 0. A3 into 0. Into this is I bar. I bar. This value denominator is 1. Therefore finally A1 I bar. A1 I bar plus A2 j bar plus A3 k bar. This is equals to given vector A bar. So this is the given expression answer. Next, observe the question number 9. Question number 9. Discuss question number 9. Right. See, V is the volume of the parallelepiped having three coterminous edges A bar, B bar, C bar. Then the volume of the parallelepiped having three coterminous edges as another volume of the parallelepiped required. Here two volumes given. First volume of the parallelepiped having the coterminous edges are A bar, B bar, C bar. And again volume of the parallelepiped now coterminous edges are alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar. So here first of all I am writing V is the volume of the parallelepiped having coterminous edges A bar, B bar, C bar given. A bar, B bar, C bar. So right, V equals to volume of the parallelepiped modulus of box A bar, B bar, C bar. Volume of the parallelepiped having A bar, B bar, C bar are adjacent coterminous edges. Next required another volume required. So volume of the parallelepiped, another volume of the parallelepiped required whose coterminous edges are alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar given. Therefore I am writing here this is V dash, next volume V dash equals to modulus of box alpha bar, beta bar, this is gamma bar. Like actually this value how to find out. So how to find this box value alpha bar, beta bar, gamma bar. So we can find the box value here. This is determined value. What are the coefficients of A bar, B bar, C bar as first row? A bar dot A bar. Next A bar dot B bar. A bar dot C bar. This is the first vector I am writing. Coefficient of first vector here A bar dot A bar, A bar dot B bar, A bar dot C bar. Next for B bar, beta bar as a second row. A bar dot B bar, A bar dot B bar, right. B bar dot B bar, B bar dot B bar. Next B bar dot C bar. Next for gamma bar, third row. A bar dot C bar, writing coefficients of A bar, B bar, C bar. B bar dot C bar, C bar dot C bar. These are the base vectors here. A bar, B bar, C bar. Their coefficients I am writing. So into box A bar, B bar, C bar. Because here base vectors are A bar, B bar, C bar. Also here also A bar, B bar, C bar. That's why I am writing box A bar, B bar, C bar here. So now what is this? this total expression determinant value is, direct formula is there. This will be box A bar, B bar, C bar whole square into again box A bar, B bar, C bar. So this total determinant value is box A bar, B bar, C bar whole square. Finally this is equals to box A bar, B bar, C bar whole cube. So V dash means required volume of the parallelepiped is V cube. So this is finally, what is this? Already we have box A bar, B bar, C bar is V. Therefore this will be V cube will be the answer. First option.